So everyone, I'm KJ Flores and this is the project I've been working on for our subject ITMGD 5, the game development. And this is my scenes, the scene 1. So we have here a 3 button, play option and exit button, and this is my logo, Dungeon Quest. And next is the map scene, where this picture travel to this direction, and the level 1 challenge. We have here a menu, settings and exit, and map, and retry. And this is the dialogue, welcome dialogue, and the OK button. And next is the difficulty selection. We're at easy, medium, and hard. So let's start this game. Transferred into select difficulty, the category selection. And next is the map scene. After this, we're going to